Now this is the callaloo. Make sure you strip your callaloo and wash it and strip it really clean and dice them like this is what we call callaloo. Callaloo. You dice it. And add the onions and a couple pimento seeds, allspice. Add a little water, just a little, not that many, that much. And a little tip of oil. And a pinch of salt, and that's it. You then cover it for about 15 minutes at low flame. Well, this is continuing the callaloo. It should look like this. So it's pretty much ready. You can turn it off. It's been about 12 minutes and that's it. So that's callaloo. See?